On this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very simple way to make extra income or extra money in 2025 using AI tools. Okay, it is a very simple, straightforward way to actually make your first money using AI so that you can start earning commissions each and every time. Okay, so without wasting time, let me show you the website that we're going to be using to make your first money or your first dollar using AI. Okay, now the website that we're going to be using, it's called Dzine AI, and we're going to be actually promoting this website. It is an AI website that whereby you can promote and start making money. Okay, so if you don't have an account, you're gonna have to start making for free. If you already have, you can log in. For starters or for beginners, this was formerly known as Stellar. For beginners, you are given, actually we have coupons right now, codes that you can use and get 25% off annual plan and other plans. You're gonna sign here if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, you're gonna log in and actually dive into how you're gonna be making money. There's so many ways you can make money using Dzine AI. For today, I'm focusing on affiliate marketing using Dzine. Now there are so many tools you can actually use to make money here, but we are, like I said, we're going to be focusing on the resources of making money through affiliate. What is affiliate marketing or affiliate program? It is promoting someone else's products or services, and then you're going to be earning a commission without you not worrying about the inventory or where to keep or how to ship to your customer. It is that you are just promoting. They give you a link. Once you get the link, you start promoting either on your social media accounts or on your personal or website or your blog. And then once someone uses your link, you make an extra income or an extra commission. And that's what we're going to be doing. So you come here where they say resources, you click here on affiliate program, or rather, if you don't want to click there, you can simply come here. Okay, scroll downwards, then you see here where we say resources. You click there. It's gonna do what? It's gonna lead you, or it's gonna bring to you to this dashboard whereby we have their affiliate program. Okay, affiliate program. So what you're gonna do is to apply. Okay, just click here where it says apply, and then when you click apply, it's gonna bring to you on this dashboard. Okay, this is the form that you need to apply. You need to fill in for you to be accepted and start promoting, so that you can get your personal account, and it has your link. Okay, so you're gonna write your name, your full name. You don't need to write your full name, you can write your nickname, but rather write your full name because of the payment method. Okay, then you're gonna give your email, the email that you want to use, and then you're gonna write what are your main promotional channels. You're gonna either click personal or maybe social media or either email marketing. Okay, click any of these. If you say social media, you're gonna be asked, or you're gonna be told to provide the URLs of your promotional channels. You're gonna click here, and then if, let's say, if you're using YouTube, you add your link here, or if you're using TikTok, you add your link there. Okay, then you can take a screenshot of your please upload a screenshot of your YouTube, Instagram, X, Facebook profile or account page. Okay, any page that you want to promote, the page that you're using to promote, the link that you're gonna be given, you take a screenshot just to verify that you are the owner. You add here. Okay, and then they're gonna ask you, how do you plan to promote Dzine? You're gonna say if you are going to be promoting on your social media account or on your blog post, you write there a brief answer. Do you agree to comply with our affiliate program? You're gonna say yes, I agree, and then write or maybe click submit. Once you have submitted, you're gonna wait for an email, and that email, it has if they have accepted you, they're gonna give you a link to join their program, whereby you're gonna find your you're gonna find the dashboard, and you're gonna find your link, your personal link that you're gonna be using to actually do what? To actually start promoting Dzine AI. So you're gonna copy that link. For instance, if you are promoting on YouTube, or maybe you are promoting on social media account, you create content about AI stuff. Okay. For instance, if we are talking about design has a lot of things that we can use, or we can actually do what we can do. For instance, creating realistic images for your website or for your content creation. Already, I'm assuming you have an account with Dzine. So if you log in, you will see that we have a lot of things that Dzine AI is offering in terms of content creation, in terms of website. Let me log in so that I can show you what I'm talking about. Their program is very straightforward. Now, I'm using a pro account because there are so many features that a pro account offers. So you're gonna click here just to see. I want to show you a very simple way you can do this. For instance, if you are creating, let's say, you're gonna click here just to test. By the way, they normally give you a 7-day, if it is a new account, a 7-day free trial, just to test their features. And they have a lot of things that they are offering. You can make a lot of things here. Other ways we can make money using AI, I'm gonna be diving into, like creating your digital products like an ebook, maybe designs like coloring book, kids coloring book. You can create even videos, okay? And also you can create consistent characters for your AI models or your website, whichever. So for instance, we want to create a very, maybe let's say a cute little something, just realistic, let's say realistic African girl, maybe dancing, maybe just for sure. Then when you click here, you can see we have a lot of the all styles, or all styles for design general. We have design realistic, we have design 3D, we have playful, we have a lot of them. Okay, there are all of them here. For instance, if you want to make a coloring book, you can choose here anyone you want, like this one. Okay, for instance, if we click on this one, let's say we are creating a realistic African girl dancing. You click here where it says generate, and as you can see on this side, it is creating. Just let's give it a few minutes. You can see. Okay, let's just give it a minute so that I can just show you some of the elements or some of the things you can use. We have a lot of them, like text to image, image to image, AI video, creating images for video, like from images, videos from images. We have AI editor, face kit, we have enhance, we have background, we have character consistency, so let's give it a minute and you can see what it's gonna do. So this is a coloring book that you can create depending on the prompt that you have given it, and you can see this is very nice for kids book, maybe something for kids book. Look at this one, she's dancing. So if you double click, it's gonna go there. Okay, let me just scroll a little bit. Okay, so this is her. You can see how it is. All of this can be used as a coloring book, for instance, to make extra money. So when you are using Dzine, there are so many things you can do. I'm just showing you one way to create some things, or maybe to create content about it. Sometimes you would need to edit some of these. You download and then you edit maybe somewhere in, let's say, if you're using Photoshop or maybe Canva or wherever, then you create your coloring book. So this is a very simple way to earn your first dollar using AI tools. You can even promote on your Pinterest if you have a Pinterest account. For instance, like me, I have a Pinterest account. Start making pins or start making content about AI stuff. Then create pins, include your link there, and then when people click on the link, if they use that link, and then if they buy, for instance, they buy a pro account, okay, you're gonna get a commission, or you're gonna get a commission out of it. Okay, you're gonna earn a commission. And the best thing about AI, this AI Dzine AI affiliate marketing or affiliate program, they send your payments to your PayPal account. And as you can see here, they say apply to become an affiliate, share your link and track performance, and commission for referrals. And commission rate 30%, cookie duration 30 days, maximum commission period 12 months. Okay, it is a very straightforward to earn extra income if you're looking to make passive income, not passive income but extra income. So guys, I just wanted to share with you to show you that already I have tested and I have received my payments from Dzine AI, and it is something that I highly recommend you to try. You're gonna be getting some income out of it. I already tried this and I know it works. That's why I'm telling you. I'll go deeper and tell you more about how you can use Dzine AI to generate even more money or more extra income for yourself. Until next time guys, if you're finding value on this video, you want to see more tutorial on how to make money using AI in 2025, do me one favor. We're going to be diving into simple ways you can earn using AI stuff or AI tools. I'll see you next in my next video. Like the video, subscribe, and until next time guys, bye.